Today I'm going to be reviewing Wordtune, an AI rewriting and paraphrasing tool. Go to wordtune.com to get started. First, I'm going to show you how to use the Wordtune Editor. This is a pretty basic editor where you can copy and paste your existing text or write your own text here. It doesn't have a built-in grammar checker, so I'm using Grammarly on the side that you can see here me fixing it. The rewrite tool is the bread and butter of Wordtune. So this is where it will offer suggestions to improve your sentences and paragraphs overall. Right now I'm demoing the free version of Wordtune, which has the basic rewrite feature. The casual and formal tones and the shorten and expand features are only available in the premium version of Wordtune. With the rewrite tool, Wordtune offers you several suggestions for each sentence on how to rewrite or rephrase that sentence. So you can go in, select the one that makes the most sense in the context of your paragraph or article, and rewrite it if you want. You don't have to. All of this is optional, so you can skip sentences. Our biggest issue with the tool overall is that you have to go through each sentence individually. There's no way to look at all the suggestions at a high level and pick ones that make the most sense for your paragraph or article. So this can be very time consuming. Here you can see how selecting casual and formal tones changes the sentence recommendations that are provided. The tool overall does a great job of creating fluent English suggestions and rewriting sentences that actually make sense to a human reader. Some of the other AI writing tools out there don't produce the same quality content that Wordtune does. So we're actually pleasantly surprised with how Wordtune was actually able to restructure and rephrase our sentences. Another great tool that Wordtune has is the free Chrome plugin, which lets you use Wordtune from within multiple different apps and forums on the internet. For example, if we use it for Google Docs, you can see here we can just highlight text within Google Docs, and Wordtune offers sentence suggestions right there, just like in the full text editor. You can go in, select sentences, and it will automatically rewrite the sentence once you've clicked on it. Or you can copy it by clicking on the copy icon on the far right. There's also a floating widget that appears, so you can click on that as well if you want to open up Wordtune. But really, the best part about the Chrome plugin is that you can use it already in these forms. Just like here where you can use it within Gmail, so you can get sentence suggestions from within your email client. Very simple to use, works just like the web editor, except built into these online forms. Just like with the web editor, you can also select the different tones as well as expanding and shortening the text right from within this widget. The other main tool offered by Wordtune is the summarizer. When you land on the summarizer page, you can either upload a PDF, paste a link, paste text, or see an example of how to use the tool. You can also upload documents. We're going to copy and paste an existing document that we use for a lot of our demos for AI tools. As you can see, the limit in this text box is 20,000 words. We're far under that, so we're going to be okay. The tool starts analyzing this text and tries to find the important sentences, what it considers spotlights. And as it's browsing this document, it'll start summarizing some of the content here on the right side. And right now, it's identified from this text about 8 summaries. As you can see, this would be less than a 1-minute read, so it can summarize this whole document down into a much smaller piece of content. You can also choose to spotlight certain words, where in this case I want to spotlight plant or garden because that's what this document is about. And I can get an even shorter, more precise list of summaries. While it's great to have a summarizer, this tool really doesn't do the article justice. When you look at the results, the summaries based on supposedly the garden keyword, you can tell that the results are very generic, very high level, and don't actually really tell you how to maintain a garden, which is the core premise of the document, at all. It tells you, okay, take care of garden plants, sure, but it doesn't tell you how. It doesn't tell you they need to maintain soil, you need to mow, and things like that. It tells you very specifically what to do with grass, but it doesn't tell you anything else about how to maintain grass. And then it tells you that by following these 4 bullet points, you should have a lush garden. If a human were actually summarizing this article, they would include a lot more details and points about how to actually take care of a garden besides just mowing with a string trimmer. Going back to the original results here on the right, when you read through them, they actually do make more sense. Obviously, you have a longer summary, but it condensed a full-length article down to about 8 to 10 sentences. While we like the quality of Wordtune's output, the price plans are a bit expensive. You can get some other AI writing tools such as Quillbot for cheaper, especially when you look at the yearly versus monthly plans for premium. Wordtune is very expensive. The price goes from $9.99 per month if you pay annually, all the way up to basically $25, which is a significant jump when you change from annual to a monthly plan. I think that's due to possibly a high churn rate by Wordtune, so they're trying to keep customers for a whole year instead of having them leave after only a month because they realize there's more value in some other tools out there, such as Quillbot, etc. This also seems to align with the really aggressive refund policy, of which there is none. They don't offer any refunds. If you paid for an annual plan, sorry, you're out of luck. There's no 30-day money-back guarantee or even 3-day money-back guarantee like Wordtune's competitor Quillbot offers. So if you don't like the tool, you're pretty much screwed. That's probably why they're offering the high monthly cost, so that you're guilted into buying the full year when you don't even know if the tool is going to work for you. So that's our major con with Wordtune, and why we do actually recommend that you look elsewhere if you're looking for a rephraser or rewriter tool, even though the output of Wordtune is slightly better than some of the other tools on the market. Overall, we think Wordtune is a good rephraser. It offers excellent output for rewriting sentences. However, the pricing and the additional features available with the premium plan don't really add that much value. The plans are very expensive relative to some of the other rephrasers and AI writing tools on the market, and there's no fallback policy, as in there's no money back guarantee. There's no way once you've paid for the premium version to actually get your money back. So that's a really big con of Wordtune overall. And finally, the interface is just honestly a little clunky at this point. There's not that much fluidity between the tools. There's only the summarizer and the Wordtune editor. We actually had a decent amount of trouble that we've removed from this video with trying to get the Chrome plugin to work within Google Docs, and even trying to get the Wordtune editor to load when we're actually signed in. Sometimes the page just hangs and it shows a white blank screen. So I think Wordtune has a decent amount of bugs to work out, and they need to work on their pricing plan before we're ready to recommend Wordtune as a really great AI tool. The free version, of course, is free, so feel free to use it for what you need, but just know that you're limited to 10 runs per day. Thanks for watching, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks.